Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Certification. In this AI course, you will learn how to use AI in your daily life and increase your productivity. About your instructor. My name is Mark O'Brien. Here's a bit of my resume. I've worked with over 500 clients at my digital marketing agency. I have taught over 500,000 students in my online courses. I operated e-commerce stores with over 1,000 products. I've raised capital for 40-plus startups and over 10,000 real estate units. And I have scaled and exited 3 startups as the founder. I am now the founder of One Bold Vision Productions. We are an AI media platform and AI studio that delivers content to millions of users. One BVP is the #1 source online for the best AI tools, AI news, AI classes, AI jobs, AI filmmaking, and the first AI creator community. This artificial intelligence certification will help you comprehend the basics of AI. Discover the best AI tools for your daily needs at home and at work. Complete real-world projects with AI tools that will increase your productivity. Make AI your personal assistant for data analysis, research, content creation, routine tasks, and more, while you focus on strategy, creativity, and decision-making. Our AI classes will take you from an AI beginner to an advanced AI pro. Learn how to put AI to work for you. When used correctly, artificial intelligence can make you more productive, make you more money, and save you time. In this AI course, you will learn how to use AI tools to increase productivity, how to interact with and prompt AI tools for the best results, how to create AI automations and AI agents that will perform tasks for you, how to create images with AI image generators, how to create videos with AI video generators, how to create audio with AI audio generators, and so much more. AI tools are launching daily, so we update this artificial intelligence certification course daily as well. Our ideal student is planet Earth. I am only partly joking, but everyone will benefit from learning about artificial intelligence and the AI tools that will drive the AI revolution. This AI class will help you understand that artificial intelligence is not something to be scared of. Rather, AI will become your personal assistant. The future of AI and your work will become increasingly managerial, requiring you to oversee, guide, refine, and make decisions for your AI systems. AI makes you an efficient superhuman. Employers are actively seeking people who know how to use AI to streamline processes and increase productivity in the workplace. Get AI certified today. I look forward to helping you master artificial intelligence and creating your own personal AI assistants.